Okay, good day. We are researchers based at Anglia Ruskin University in the UK, and we're working on the TURNkey project. We look at how earthquake operational forecasting and early warning could help businesses in Europe. A large part of Europe is at risk of earthquakes, and European businesses are increasingly aware of this. However, there's currently not much support available to help them manage these risks systematically. Now, as shown on the slide, earthquake operational forecasting provides hazard and risk information before the main earthquake event as well as for aftershocks. Earthquake early warning issues an alert seconds before impact, also for the main event and for aftershocks. Both types of information could help businesses better prepare for and respond to earthquakes. Now, our goal is to assess how operational earthquake forecasting and early warning can contribute most effectively to business continuity planning and disaster management. We do this together with potential end users at businesses and critical infrastructure providers. We use a methodology called participatory action research. With this approach, research and action go hand in hand. We sit down with potential end users, with researchers and designers to discuss what businesses need and what is possible from an engineering point of view. It's an iterative process that guides the development of the system. It goes round and round, as shown on the slide, from planning to action to observation to reflection on how to move forward. In total, we'll do 3 rounds of this. We've also conducted extensive literature review on the strengths and weaknesses of existing systems. What we've learned and what we're still learning informs not only the design of earthquake early warning and operational forecasting, but it will also inform the development of an earthquake decisions support protocol for business organizations. If you're interested in our work, you can read more about it on the TURNkey website. The link is given on this slide.